Hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV in Torla, California. Today I'm gonna go over the inside and the outside of the beautiful Sprinter 3670 FLS, which is 37-foot fifth wheel front living room with multiple slide. I'm gonna start from the outside, and if you follow me in this video, I'm gonna also go in more detail. And then at the end, I wanna show you why this is the best deal you're gonna find in the country. Let's start from outside. As you see, this is a brand new 2026 Sprinter Keystone. On the outside of that Sprinter 36 FLS, they have a really nice high profile front cab, gel coated with a power mirror, with a road armor with the rubber mount and the camping box. And this mirror, so when you back up your truck, you could see in the mirrors through the back window, so you could hitch it up so easy. Now, I like about the front cap, it has a curve on the left side and the right side with nice LED light in the center so you could see at night, and a clearance light. And this has the Leopard, Road Armoral, Revolution ride because it has the rubber cushion on the camping box. Coming down over here, you have a 2 propane tank on each side, 7-gallon on this side and one the other side. Now this has a pass-through storage. Now you need to notice when you have a front living room unit, the storage here is not that big as the normal other fifth wheel, because this is a front living, because they give you all the living space inside. Also, you have a TV outside hookup, so you could put a TV right here where there's a cable satellite hookup on 110. Sprinter, they always provide you with a 4-step to get in. And this has the Sprinter thermal package, which has the extra installations on the walls and the floor and ceiling. And it also has enclosed underbelly, heated, so it could handle the extreme cold weather. The unit is provided with outside fridge, which is really nice to give you a second fridge in case if you're sitting outside underneath the power awning with LED light, and you could have your water, beers, sodas, whatever you like. The unit comes with endless hot water heater. This is the storage underneath the bed because you have a nice bed inside, and this is underneath, so the bed is divided halfway storage, half from inside, half from outside. Coming in the back, all Sprinters, they come with the prep for camera, Leopard expandable ladder, as you see, Class 3 hitch with the 4-way plug, so you could design if you want to pull small trailers, boats, or bike rack, at least for bike rack or a storage tray in the back. This is the 50 amp power cord and designed for 2 AC, and the unit comes with 2 AC, power awning, auto leveling system. As you see from the legs, you have 2 slide out on the other side and 2 slide. So this unit provided with 4 slide out, 2 on the driver's side, 2 on the passenger side. Over here, you have the docking stations where you have the city water connection, hot water, and you can see it's motion. Satellite cable, city water connection, sandy flush connections, as well hot shower, outside shower, hot and cold. This is the other side of the pass-through storage. And then you can see it's aluminum construction and heated. That's the second propane tank. This is the auto leveling system. It's by Leopard, and you push auto level and it's leveled by itself. Over here you have a nice floodlight at night, additional solar panel hookup. The unit comes already with a 220 watt solar panel on the roof, but if you want to add additional portable, you can. Beautiful spare tires in the front, so that give you all the back clear for your storage tray or your bike rack. And then you have a front storage here where you could put all your dirty stuff. And that's the battery pack. You could see there's a 30 amp solar controllers with a battery disconnect switch, and the solar is on the roof. Let's go inside, because at the end of the video, when I tell you what's that price, no one's gonna believe me, and it is true. And to be honest with you, that price, I have only 3 in stock. Folks, I'm inside the Sprinter 36 FLS typical front living floor plan. Nice big TV with Bluetooth speakers. Nice modern contemporary fireplace. I like the storage and shelf and cabinet on both sides, as you see right here. And then these are two hide-a-bed sofa. It's very roomy hide-a-bed sofa. So sleep two people here, two people on the other side, and two people in the back. So this is 6 people coach if I decide. Nice hide-a-bed furnitures with a 2 big theater seating facing. Oh, where's my drink? They're so comfy. They're really comfy. So they have a cup holders, cell phone charger right here, and this one go up. You could also place for remote controls and so on. You put your phone, you charge your phone here, and you have a nice smart TV facing you. It's a 50-inch smart TV, and you enjoy the view. So you seated three, and if they're big guys, 2, 4, 6, with a bunch of kids, you could seat 8 people in this room. And you could see it has the nice modern LED light, no issue with the height, and has the 2 air condition, 1 air condition here and 1 air condition in the back. One thing I like about this unit, it's so roomy and there's a nice handle. The kitchen, unbelievable kitchen. You could see a huge counter area from the right and left, so you could put your coffee maker, your toasters, your margarita mix, your dough mix, you name it. So you have plenty room for components to put around your sink. Amazing kitchen cabinet from the top. I'm gonna open these just to prove for you. You have plenty room for cooking pans, dishes, silverware. I mean, this is just only in the top. I mean, all these cabinets. So as you see, is very roomy. Nice crown molding on the cabinet. 30-inch microwave, residential look. A 3-burner range with the oven. Country sink. I mean, undermount sink. But people, they buy this unit because it has, yes, separations. So you have a living room, kitchen dining, bathroom, master suite. But the room is also, look how many cabinets, how many doors. I mean, I could go open more and more, but I don't want to make you bored from these doors opening. And there's a place for trash cans. It's right here. Could put the trash cans. A deep sink with a rice faucet. So it's very roomy. So even if I'm in the kitchen cooking and serving my wife a dinner, I could see the big TV right there. It's a beautiful unit. Facing from that, you have a nice table and a 4-chair. The beauty about this table, I don't have to strap anything, no legs, it's not gonna hit my knee. So easy, you could sit 4 people on it. They give you the biggest fridge in the front living room, so you have a huge fridge and a huge freezer. And then also they give you additional counter space here. This is all your controllers. This is a dimmer light. You control everything. Endless hot water here. Air conditions with heat. USB plug. You could put your phone charge here. You have a plenty storage. I mean, more storage. And then all this, it's open here. I seen people, what they do, they get couple bar stool here, and they utilize this counter space as more seating to eat. Again, the list is endless. Going through here, what a beautiful king size master suite with a barn door. So just to give you an idea, this has a barn door and it has a latch, so nobody, you see here the latch, guys, look at the latch. So nobody could come in. It's locked. So nobody could come to your bedroom. Beautiful king size bed with a lot of storage in the top. Nice windows with a crossing. Plenty doors for socks, underwears. You could put a big 50-inch, 40-inch TV in the bedroom. your AC in the bedroom. I could put a stackable washer dryer here. And if I use the combo washer dryer, as you see right here, if I use the combo washer dryer, I don't have to remove the shelf and I still hang in clothes. Or I could do stackable and then you're gonna lose all the space. But again, that's up to you. Plenty closets. There's a light. I could stand in this closet just to show you how big it is and very roomy. I could stand in this closet just to give you indication how big this closet, and all this bar is for hanging clothes, and it has a light, sensors. You could put your shoes and so on. So plenty this unit for you. It's perfect for somebody want to live in a nice fifth wheel in affordable price. Showers, look how roomy it is. You can't reach. Plenty elbow room. And then you have the nice solid with a nice shower head, big sink with a nice Keystone light up mirrors, porcelain toilet, plenty storage for linens and sheets and coat hangers and more storage. It's amazing. Now, normally I don't talk about price. And I don't, because I like to talk about feature benefit, but this time I've been forced to say it because when the management decide to sell this Sprinter 3670 FLS for the price what we advertise, I told them there's something wrong, and they said no, but we just got a good deal and we want to pass it to the customers. So go ahead, Niall, go sell this unit at the price what we told you. And I say, what is the price? Brand new 2026 Keystone RV Sprinter 36 FLS. Only for $59,999, $60,000. What are you gonna find a front living room with 4-slide with all this amenity for $59,999? I told him $60,000. Yeah, he said yeah, 60 less than $1. $59,999 plus tax and license, no hidden fees. Go look at all my Sprinters. They're more than $60,000. How come this unit, 4-slide, a front living room, and you price it at giveaway price for $59,999 plus tax and license, no hidden fees? I tell him, is something wrong? He said, no, it's brand new, fresh. We just got it in. We need to get more excitement to the customer and tell the customer they have a deal they can't match. Shop as much you like. Average dealer, they sell these at $70. But here we have it on special for $59,999. Loaded as you see in this video. Click on that email, the link underneath that video, or call us. We'll be glad to show you everything and prove for you this is the best deal you're gonna find on a brand new Sprinter 3670 FLS. And make sure it's the 2026, not 25, 26. And I'll be honest with you, we have only 3 in stock. If those 3 gone, I cannot give this deal anymore. Look forward to see you and grab this deal from Best RV in Turlock, California.